Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to make a decent thumbnail for YouTube videos for free, because thumbnails are pretty important, so let's go. Now this is the replay from StarCraft, the game I play, StarCraft Nexus Co-op, and I paused the replay here because I want to take this as a screenshot, maybe a little bit to the right, and now I'm gonna press Window key plus print screen to take a screenshot. It grayed out, so it's done. And now I'm going here to screenshots, and that's it. So edit image, and because it's kind of darker, so I wanna the light settings over here. Want to fix this. First of all, clarity, then light to get it more get it lighter, not too light though, like this for example, and color, maybe a bit color like this, and save a copy. So that's it. Now I'm going to canva.com, and on Canva you can do designs for free. You can also you also have some paid content, but there's a lot of free content that you can work with, so it should be enough. Zoom virtual background, if you don't have it here, just type in Zoom virtual background, and yeah, then create one, because it's the proper dimensions from the YouTube thumbnail, and then go for uploads, upload media, and from screenshot that's that one, and you upload it here. Okay, so it's done. Now if you wanna show your face on a thumbnail, then this is how you do it. I've already recorded a camera which I wanna show, so you just go to the editing photos, this pencil thing, and save photo from video. Wait for it to load, and here you can, okay, like maybe this one, and save a photo. Now I go to site called remove.bg, remove background, and upload image. Okay, we'll upload this thing, and it will you see that it will automatically now you can download here, download HD, so if you're a paid member, but yeah, you don't need this for thumbnail, and well, I'll just save it like this, and now go back to our Canva thing, and upload the yeah, this was saved under the StarCraft images, so this is it. And okay, so I'm gonna place this here first, and then this, and I'm gonna work on this image first to get it where I want, like this maybe, and then okay, then this thing, and there we have it. Okay, so maybe add some text. these are these cyclones. So let's get. There are a lot of fonts, some paid, but many of them free. So some text like this. Add let's see the color, maybe red. It's good. Effects. Let's say neon to glow, and that's pretty much it. So I have it now, and now I just share, download. Come on, let's okay. And if you don't have text, you probably want to get some title. Now I use this title, which is automatically taken from this text, and I save it, and then I have the thumbnail to upload to my video. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked it, and see you guys.